When it comes to increasing the value and attractiveness of your home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new windows. In Gaithersburg, a community known for its mix of suburban charm and urban conveniences, enhancing your home's curb appeal with new windows not only improves aesthetics but also boosts energy efficiency, security, and long-term savings. Let's explore how upgrading your windows can help make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Why new windows matter? Windows are more than just openings that let in light or provide a view to the outside world. They play a significant role in shaping the exterior appearance of your home. Whether you live in a cozy townhouse or a spacious suburban property in Gaithersburg, the right windows can create a welcoming, stylish look that stands out. But the benefits go beyond just aesthetics. Here are some of the reasons why new windows are a wise investment for enhancing curb appeal. Aesthetic upgrade. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most beautiful home look outdated. Cracked frames, fogged-up glass, or chipped paint can all take away from your home's visual appeal. New windows, on the other hand, give your home a fresh, clean look, with options that complement your home's architectural style, whether it's modern, colonial, or something in between. Energy-efficient windows are also available in various styles, from sleek and contemporary to classic and traditional, which means you can select windows that align with the design of your home and boost its overall curb appeal. Improved energy efficiency. In Gaithersburg, where the weather can range from cold winters to hot, humid summers, keeping your home comfortable while controlling energy bills is a top priority for many homeowners. Old windows with gaps and poor insulation can result in energy loss, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a stable temperature. By investing in new windows, especially energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce your home's energy consumption. Modern windows feature advanced technologies like double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills that provide superior insulation, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This not only improves your home's comfort but also reduces utility bills, making the investment in new windows a practical one. Boost property value. If you plan to sell your home, new windows can be a game changer in increasing its market value. Homebuyers in Gaithersburg are always looking for properties that offer both style and energy efficiency. By replacing outdated windows with new, high-quality ones, you're likely to see a return on investment. Studies show that homeowners can recover a substantial portion of the cost of new windows at resale, with energy-efficient models often providing the best return. The first impression buyers get from the exterior of your home is essential. New windows can make a huge difference in how potential buyers perceive your property, giving them a sense of quality and care that can influence their decision. Increased security. Security is another critical factor to consider when upgrading your windows. Older windows can have outdated locking mechanisms or even be easier to break into. Modern windows come equipped with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and shatterproof glass, making them much harder to tamper with. Additionally, new windows offer better weather resistance, preventing drafts, leaks, and water infiltration, which can compromise your home's security and structural integrity. Low maintenance. Older windows may require regular upkeep, such as sanding, repainting, or caulking to maintain their appearance and functionality. Modern windows, however, are designed to be low maintenance. Many come with features such as vinyl frames or special coatings that resist dirt and require little upkeep. This makes them perfect for busy homeowners who want to maintain their home's appearance without a lot of extra work. Choosing the right windows for your home in Gaithersburg. When considering new windows, it's important to choose a style and material that not only enhances curb appeal but also fits your budget and home's needs. Some popular window styles include double-hung windows, ideal for traditional homes and easy to clean. Casement windows, provide a sleek look and excellent ventilation. Bay and bow windows, great for adding character and extra space to a room. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood offer different benefits. Vinyl is durable and energy efficient, while wood provides a more classic look, and fiberglass is highly resistant to weather damage. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, and elevate your home's value. Whether you're looking to refresh the exterior of your home, reduce your energy bills, or make a smart investment before selling, new windows offer lasting benefits. For Gaithersburg homeowners, this is a great opportunity to improve both the look and function of your home for years to come. Don't wait. Make the change today and watch your home shine brighter than ever.